Neville Goddard, "With faith and imagination, you hold the key to unlock any door in your life." With faith and imagination, the possibilities for what you can create are boundless. These two forces are not just abstract concepts, but are the very tools with which you shape your reality. When you truly understand and harness the power of faith and imagination, you step into your true creative potential. Your world is not a series of random events or mere circumstances that happen to you. It is a reflection of your inner state, shaped by what you believe and what you envision. The reality you experience is the outward manifestation of the thoughts and images you hold in your mind. By mastering the use of faith and imagination, you can consciously create the life you desire. Faith is the foundation upon which all creation stands. It is the conviction, often without physical evidence, that what you desire already exists. Faith is not just hope or wishful thinking. It is the deep-seated belief that what you want is not only possible but inevitable. This kind of faith requires you to trust in the unseen, to believe in the reality of your desires before they materialize in the physical world. When you have unwavering faith in your vision, you align yourself with the creative power of the universe, and that which you seek begins to unfold in your experience. Imagination is the workshop of your mind, where the blueprints for your future are created. It is through imagination that you can see, feel, and experience your desires as if they are already real. The images and scenarios you hold in your imagination are not just fleeting thoughts. They are the seeds of your future reality. The more vividly and consistently you imagine your desired outcome, the more powerfully you attract it into your life. Imagination allows you to mentally rehearse your future, to create detailed scenarios of success and fulfillment that your mind then works to bring into being. When faith and imagination work together, they form a powerful partnership. Faith provides the assurance that what you imagine is already yours, while imagination gives form and substance to that belief. Together, they activate the creative forces within you, setting in motion the process of manifestation. Every thought, every image you hold in your mind with faith is a creative act. It is a declaration to the universe of what you are ready to receive, and the universe responds by arranging circumstances, events, and people to align with your vision. To effectively use faith and imagination, you must first be clear about what you want. Clarity of desire is essential because it focuses your mental energy on a specific outcome. Vague or conflicting desires dilute the power of your creative efforts. Once you are clear about what you want, begin to imagine it in as much detail as possible. See it, feel it, experience it in your mind as if it is happening right now. Allow your imagination to fill in all the details, making the vision as real and tangible as possible. The more real it feels in your imagination, the more real it becomes in your physical reality. As you hold this vision in your mind, activate your faith by affirming that it is already yours. Speak and think in terms of having already received what you desire. Act as if it is already a part of your life. This mental shift is crucial because it moves you from a state of wanting or hoping to a state of having and being. It aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you want to create, and this alignment is what attracts your desires into your experience. One of the keys to maintaining faith and imagination is persistence. There will be times when doubt and fear try to creep in, challenging your belief in your vision. During these times, it is important to remain steadfast in your faith, to continue imagining your desired outcome even when the physical evidence seems contrary. Persistence in faith and imagination is what separates those who manifest their desires from those who do not. It is the ability to hold on to your vision, to keep your faith strong even in the face of adversity, that ultimately leads to success. It is also important to understand that the process of creation through faith and imagination is not always immediate. There is often a gestation period during which your desires are being prepared to manifest. This period requires patience and trust, knowing that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring about your desires in the best possible way. During this time, continue to nurture your vision with faith and imagination, knowing that what you seek is on its way. As you practice using faith and imagination to create your reality, you will begin to notice changes in your life. Opportunities that align with your desires will start to appear, people who can help you will enter your life, and circumstances will shift in your favor. This is not a coincidence, but a direct result of the mental and emotional energy you are putting out into the universe. The more you align your inner world with your desired outer reality, the more your life will reflect that alignment. The power of faith and imagination is available to everyone, regardless of their current circumstances or past experiences. It is a universal principle that works for anyone who applies it with sincerity and dedication. Whether you are seeking wealth, success, health, or happiness, the process is the same. Believe that it is already yours, imagine it with all your senses, and act in accordance with that belief. The more you practice this, the more natural it will become, and the more you will see the results in your life. The key to harnessing the power of faith and imagination lies in the understanding that your mind is a fertile ground, ready to bring forth whatever seeds you plant in it. Every thought you hold, every emotion you entertain, is a seed that has the potential to grow into the reality you experience. The mind does not discriminate between positive or negative. It simply takes what you give it and nourishes it into form. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of what you are planting. Are your thoughts and emotions aligned with what you truly desire, or are they rooted in fear, doubt, and limitation? The quality of your life is a direct reflection of the quality of your mental garden. It's essential to develop a practice of mental discipline where you consciously choose the thoughts and images you allow to take root in your mind. This is not about forcing positivity, but rather about being aware of the mental and emotional energy you are cultivating. If you catch yourself entertaining negative or limiting thoughts, gently redirect your focus back to what you wish to create. This practice of mental gardening requires patience and consistency, but the rewards are profound. Over time, as you weed out the thoughts that no longer serve you and nurture those that align with your goals, you will see a transformation in your outer world. Another important aspect of creating with faith and imagination is the understanding of the present moment's power. Often, people get caught up in the pursuit of their desires, placing their happiness and fulfillment in some future event. However, the true power of creation lies in the present moment. It is in the now that you have the ability to shape your reality. When you project your desires into the future, you create a gap between where you are and where you want to be. This gap can lead to feelings of lack and frustration, which in turn can block the manifestation of your desires. Instead, bring your focus back to the present. Live as if your desires are already fulfilled and let that feeling permeate your current experience. When you act, think, and feel as though you are already living the life you want, you collapse the gap between the present and the future. This alignment with the present moment is a powerful catalyst for manifestation. The more you anchor yourself in the now, the more you will find that your desires naturally unfold, often in ways that are surprising and far beyond what you could have planned. So it is vital to cultivate a sense of gratitude for what you have and for what is yet to come. Gratitude is a powerful vibrational state that attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. When you express gratitude for your desires as if they have already been fulfilled, you create a magnetic pull that draws those experiences into your reality. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, and the shift in focus changes your energy. As your energy changes, so does your reality. The practice of gratitude is a simple yet profound way to align your mind and heart with the life you wish to create. Lastly, it's important to recognize that the creative process is not always linear. There may be times when progress seems slow or when obstacles arise. These moments are not signs of failure, but rather opportunities for growth and refinement. Obstacles often serve to clarify your desires and strengthen your resolve. When faced with challenges, instead of giving into frustration or doubt, use them as stepping stones to deepen your faith and sharpen your imagination. Each challenge is a chance to reaffirm your commitment to your vision and to practice holding on to your desired outcome with even greater focus and intensity. Incorporating these principles into your daily life, mental discipline, present moment awareness, gratitude, and resilience in the face of challenges can significantly enhance your ability to create the life you want. These practices help you to become a conscious creator, one who is not swayed by external circumstances, but who consistently aligns with their inner vision. As you master these aspects of creation, you will find that your life begins to flow with greater ease, abundance, and joy. The power to create is within you, and with faith and imagination, there is nothing you cannot achieve. As you move forward, take a moment to reflect on the practices and principles we've discussed. Consider how you can apply them in your daily life to bring about the changes you desire. The process is simple but profound. Maintain a clear vision of what you want, fuel that vision with the power of faith, and allow your imagination to bring it to life. This is the formula for success, for fulfillment, for the manifestation of your deepest desires. Now, before you go, if you found this discussion valuable, I invite you to support this channel in a few ways. First, take a moment to like this video. Your likes help others discover this content, spreading the message of personal empowerment. Second, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive new insights and teachings that can help you unlock your potential and create the life you want. Third, share this video with others who might benefit from these teachings. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a colleague, sharing this knowledge can inspire positive change in someone else's life. Fourth, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you might have. Your engagement not only helps this channel grow, but also creates a space for meaningful conversations. Consider turning on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. By doing this, you'll ensure that you stay connected and continue to receive content that can guide and support you on your journey. Thank you for being a part of this experience. Your presence and participation are deeply appreciated. Let's continue to explore the incredible power of the mind together. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, keep the faith, nurture your imagination, and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways.